the way for Santa Claus just yet. We're so busy here at the North Pole getting ready for the holidays, so we need your help.
According to our elf on site, many ghosts of Christmas past, present, and future are decking the halls. So get in your sleigh and grab your tinsel Ghostbuster. Remember, you better watch out. You better not cry. Aim at the targets where the ghosts may hide.
And on your adventure, please remember to keep your arms, hands, and legs inside your sleigh at all times. And remember to stay seated. Santa Claus knows when you've been naughty or nice.
Thanks for your help. Now dash away. You're on your right.
Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays!
And Happy New Year!
Oh, the targets on the right side are broken. At the door.